communication skills. First thing is needed to desire plus practice. Strong desire plus continuous practice. It helps to improve our English communication skills. Remaining one thing, practice makes a man perfect.
Improve your communication skills by asking questions. It will help to show that you are interested in who you are talking to and what they are saying. Asking questions is the best way to keep a conversation going, and it will help you to improve your communication skills.
Essential tips for clear communication in English. Keep talking. The problem, you may have trouble speaking fluently if you are unsure of your grammar or vocabulary. Find good speaking rhythm. Make sure you are understood. Repeat what you are told. Ask clarifying questions. Watch your body language. Use appropriate language. Practice empathy.
Speak more softly when you are alone and close. Listen to the music of English. Find native English speaker. Speak English at home and record yourself. Have an English exchange. Don't forget the small stuffs like phrases. Add phrases to your vocabulary. Finally, correct your writing.
Practice every day. Make yourself a study plan. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Be confident while you are speaking in English. Practice the 4 core skills, mainly listening, speaking, reading and writing. They all need to be worked on to improve your English. Surround yourself in English. Put yourself in all English speaking environment where you can learn English passively. Thank you.
There are many ways to improve our effective communication skills. My suggestion is that to read English books and English newspapers and hear English programs in media. This will help you to know correct usage of grammar and know correct pronunciation of each word. This will help you to speak effective English in your future.
Improve your communication skills by learn sentences instead of words. When you learn a new word in English, take a couple of minutes to memorize some sentences that contain it. In the long run, this will go far in helping you with conversation and communication. It is not unusual for language learners to know the meaning of words, but struggle to use them properly in a full sentence.
Develop your listening skills too. The best communicators are almost always the best listeners. Listen without judgment and don't be distracted by thinking about what you want to say next. Then respond, not react.
First of all, we must surround ourselves in an English-speaking environment. While talking to our friends or relatives, we must try to speak in English. We must practice it daily. We must not be afraid of making mistakes. We should be confident. We must always have a notebook with you. Whatever new vocabulary you learn daily, you must write in that notebook and practice it while speaking.
Action speaks more than words. One of the best ways to improve our effective communication is a body language. If you concentrate more on your body language, then your communication will be more effective.
Increase vocabulary. We must learn at least 5 words a day. Speak daily. Find a partner to interact in English. If you can't find, try speaking with yourself. Read daily. Reading books every day will increase your English communication skills. Watch daily. Watch English news channels like BBC. Recap. At the end of the day, don't forget to recap what you have learned.
You have to enhance your habit of reading. You have to set a library at your home and you have to read every day. You have to read English newspaper every day. And while speaking, you have to use the vocabulary that you have learned.
Learn the basic non-verbal communication, avoid relying on visual aids, ask for honest feedback, engage the audience in discussion, you start and end with the key points, get comfortable speaking, get to know your audience, be a listener.
Find your perfect speaking rhythm. If you try to speak too fast, then your words won't come out right. But if you try to slow down, then you have trouble in focusing. You have to work on your speaking rhythm.
or sound and speed of your speaking. Finding your perfect speaking rhythm will help you to improve your fluency.
We can improve our communication skill by hearing many speeches. After hearing the speeches, take a time to draft it in your mind. Remind one thing, a good listener is a good speaker.
Use the well-known vocabularies where the receiver can easily understand and grasp the meaning of it. One must not beat around the bush, stick to the point, stay on the message, and showing on eye contact is a must.
Communication is a connection between people sharing information with each other. It's important in everyday life, at work, and nearly any time you interact with each other people. Communication issues don't always happen because of your English level. The truth is, you can know how to speak English without knowing how to communicate in English.
Learning new vocabularies will give us confidence to communicate in English. Narrating short stories will make our communication effective in English. And reading short story books, it improve our communication skill.
To communicate effectively, it's important to get to know your audience first. Because each audience is different and they have different preferences and cultural norms that should be considered while communicating. A good way in understand the expectations is to ask the members of the audience, for examples, a good communicators within the organization.
Set of techniques used for expressing ideas effectively and for the technology of information by print or telecommunication method. Communication is lexically meant for the imparting or exchanging of information by speaking, writing, or any other medium. It is the act of conveying the intended message from one entity to a group of another through the use of understood signs and rules.
Practicing to read English magazines and English newspapers, write sentences and dialogues in our own words. Whether it is right or wrong, must practice to speaking English. It improve our communication.
To communicate effectively, nothing but think of fluent English as an important of stepping stones in the advancement of your career. Set clear targets with your business, English as you would with your other project at works. This help to stay motivated in the long run and will yield better result.
For a word, there is an actual meaning and a contextual meaning. We should always take the contextual meaning of a word. For an example, I get up. Instead, we can use wake. I wake up at 6.
Studying grammar will never improve your speaking. You have to actually speak your sentence structure, grammar, vocabulary, and most importantly, ability to express your thoughts and ideas effectively. Learning to speak English through imitation.
It is the language of our international communication in all areas such as politics, science, media or art, and it is the often language of entertainment as well as media. Having good command of English can help to more opportunities in life.
We may have trouble speaking English fluently if you are unsure of grammar or vocabulary. So we have to practice every day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Learn vocabulary in phrases, not in a single words. Start using the vocabulary as soon as possible. Practice the 4 core skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. Talk to yourself in English. Get an English friend.
Practicing in the front of the mirror will make us communicator effective. Choose the particular topic and speak on the topic on our own words will make us to improve our communication in English.
We should practice 4 core skills. They are listening, speaking, reading and writing. Then we need to develop habit of reading as much as possible. For example, we can read English newspaper, books, magazines, etc. Then listening. We can listen to English movies, programs, etc.
then we can interact with others, that is, through interaction with others. For example, we can conduct debate in the classrooms.
Make sure you are understood. Because of the language barrier, you are never sure if people really understood what you meant. Just ask them. Most of the time you can make sure someone understood what you said by asking them to repeat what you said.
Reading short stories will help you to learn more vocabularies. Learning more vocabularies will strengthen your language and your conversation will be more effective. I hope you have learned around 30 ways to improve your communication in English. Try to practice some of them every day and be effective in your conversation. Thank you all the best.